Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to watch any football match live for free. So to do that, open your web browser and in here, search Sky Sports. Then click the official website of Sky Sports. So after you visit the Sky Sports website, navigate to the football section or search for the specific match you want to watch. Sky Sports offers a range of subscription options, so choose the one that suits your preferences, whether it's a monthly subscription or a specific pass for a single match or event. Follow the instructions to create an account and complete the payment process if required. Once you have subscribed, you should be able to access the live streams of football matches available on the Sky Sports. So make sure to check the Sky Sports website for the most up-to-date information and available matches in your area for free. So that's how to watch any football match live for free by using skysports.com. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!